So basically, we worked on graphing lines that are in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Today we're going to look at graphing a linear equation that's in standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. There's basically 4 simple steps that we follow. Step 1, we substitute 0 in for x to find the y-intercept. Step 2, substitute 0 in for y to find the x-intercept. Step 3, graph the x and y-intercepts. And step 4, connect the 2 points, which are the x and y-intercepts, in order to make a line. So, for example, if I'm asked to graph the equation 5x plus 2y equals negative 10, going on step 1, I substitute 0 in for x. So 5 times x, which in this situation is going to be 0, plus 2y equals negative 10. 5 times 0 is just 0. 0 plus 2y equals negative 10. When I add 0 to 2y, I just have 2y. 2y equals negative 10. And I'm left with basically a one-step equation where I can solve by dividing by 2 on both sides. That's going to give me y equals negative 5. What I'm finding is basically my y-intercept. So in other words, when my x in my ordered pair is 0, because that's what I'm calling it, the y comes out to be negative 5. Likewise, I'm going to substitute 0 in for y to find the x-intercept. So again, 0 goes where y would be. And I have 5x plus 2 times 0 equals negative 10. 2 times 0 is 0. So 5x plus 0 equals negative 10. Okay?
Uh-oh.
At that point, I have 5x equals negative 10. I divide both sides by 5. X equals negative 2. What am I saying? I'm saying that if in my ordered pair I'm going to call y 0, then x is negative 2. Okay? Follow me. That leads us basically to step 3. I want to graph the x and y intercept. So coming on a graph, I have 0, 5. Go across 0, go down negative 5. All right. Next point, I have negative 2, 0. Negative 2 across, up 0. Have 2 points. That's all I really need to make a line. So now all I really have to do is connect these 2 points with a line. And when I look at this, I find a line that represents the equation 5x plus 2y equals negative 10. I graphed it by finding 2 points. I found my y-intercept, which we're familiar with. It's the point where the line crossed over your y-axis. And I also find my x-intercept, which is the point where the line crossed over the x-axis. And that's basically how you would graph a line in standard form.